Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I want to talk to you about how you can get more traffic to your website or to your e-commerce store. So I think if you are running a website or running an e-commerce store, so the most important thing is that you get eyeballed on your website or on your product pages so that people convert into leads or that people make sales. And this is what I want to show you in this video. There are a few ways, and these ways I want to show you and I want to discuss with you. And maybe you will find a way that you can implement in your traffic strategy. And so then let's get started. So I made a little presentation here, and let's see the first chart here. And the first, of course, is SEO, search engine optimization. So that means that you are focused on specific keywords on your website, that you are writing content and implement some keywords in your website or even in your page title or in your URL. And this is really good if you want to get free traffic. So of course, SEO takes a little bit to work. So if you are publish an article or if you are optimizing a specific page or a specific product page, then of course it takes a little while to for the search engines to index your website or to rank your website in the organic search results. But of course, in the long run, it is definitely good. So through search engine optimization, of course, you get free traffic, and free traffic, of course, is the best thing what can happen to you. And so you can, of course, implement keywords or answer questions or give your audience the right information that they are searching for. And this is a good strategy for the long run. So let's go to the next. The next, of course, is content marketing. So that means you are identify the topics that your audience is searching for and questions they have. And if you are publishing content on your website or make blog posts or write an FAQ section or publish helpful content on your website, this is definitely really good for organic search traffic. So that means if someone searching for a specific topic or they have a specific question that they are put into Google or Bing or whatever, then chances are high that your website will show up and that you get free traffic. And of course you can then monetize the free traffic in different methods. You can implement buttons or lead them to your offers or to your, for example, to your affiliate products and so on and so forth. So content marketing is definitely a good one here. So then let's go to social media marketing. If you have you can create, for example, an Instagram account or a Twitter account, and then post there really good informations or images or stuff like this. And then, you can engage with your audience and then put a link somewhere and then send your audience to your website or to your product. So social media is really good as well because it's free. You can start Instagram account or Twitter or YouTube or TikTok or whatever you want, and then get your audience via this way and then send them to your website or to your specific offers. So social media marketing is of course it's free. It can take a little while until you get your right audience, but then you can convert your audience into paid leads or customers. So then let's go to the next. The next thing is paid advertising. Of course, if you have an online store, then it definitely makes sense to run a PPC campaign. So you can run PPC on, I think, every platform. So you can make Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Instagram ads, TikTok and everything you want. So this have of course the great benefit that you are getting traffic immediately. So if you have a good offer or a good product, then it definitely makes sense to invest in paid traffic, because the moment your advertising is online, then they will come immediately to your website and check out your product. And if you have an optimized product page, for example, and a good product, then they will come and then they will buy your stuff. So if you have money for PPC advertising, then do this. Yeah, this is really good. So let's go to the next. The next thing is influencer marketing. So if you have, if you know, influencer with a larger audience, then it definitely makes sense to share the product or go this route and get in touch with the specific influencer, and then you can arrange some deal with the influencer, and then you tell them that they should promote your product, and then they will get a cut of it, or you can share an affiliate link with them. So you give them a special affiliate link, and if they send the audience via their affiliate link, then they will get paid this way. And of course, it is most bigger influencers, of course, they want to get paid to promote your product or your services. You have to get in touch with them and make a deal. So maybe you have to pay them upfront, or you go the affiliate route, that you send them a link, and that they can promote the products via the link. And every time someone purchases via their link, then they will make a cut, and you will make money. The influencer will make money, and this is a great way as well. So then let's go to the next. The next is affiliate marketing. So if you are running a store, for example, a WooCommerce store or another store, then of course there's a possibility that you can make an affiliate program. So for example, for WooCommerce, there are a lot of plugins that gives you the opportunity to make an affiliate program. So everyone can register to your affiliate program, and then they will get a special link, and then they can promote the products for you. And so then you split the earnings between the affiliate marketer and you. And this is a great way to get free promotion to your products or to your services. So, and another great way you can get eyeballs on your website is when you are making guest posts. So when somebody external website runs a blog, for example, then many blogs allow guest posting. So you can write guest posting there, and then you can leave a link under the guest post to your bio or directly to your store or to your website. And this is really great. So if you see a website with a existing audience and they offer guest posting, then of course, write a guest post, because the guest posts get views, and if you're writing a really good and information good guest post with a lot of information, then it makes sense, and people will click then on your bio or on your link, and then they will land on your website. So, and the next is local SEO. So if you are running a local business, for example, or if you sell your products locally, then you can optimize your website for local SEO. So for example, if you have a store in somewhere in Texas, for example, then you can name your page this and that service or product in this city. And if somebody is searching for this, then they will definitely find you, because Google will show your location, that you offer your products or your services in this specific locations. And you can also make an Google My Business account, and then your business, if you sell a service, will show up in the Google Maps. And this is really great if you're selling local services or local products. So and the next thing is contents and giveaways. So if, for example, if you have a YouTube channel, for example, or a TikTok channel or a Facebook page, then of course you can make contests and giveaways. And for example, if somebody, you can make a raffle and make the requirements that they have to share your content or following you, and this is really good because when they share stuff, then you will reach more and more people, and this is really good to get traffic or get eyeballs on your products, on services. This is really great. So the next is video marketing. Video marketing is really good if you have an already existing audience. So for example, you run a YouTube channel, then you can make a short video about your product or your services, and if this you can put it on your website or on your store, and then you can reach your audience this way. And the next and last thing is offline marketing. So if you for example sell products locally, or then you can, of course, for example, print flyers and make business cards, or sponsor local events. And this is a really great way to get eyeballs to your website or to your specific offer, because then they will enter your URL in their browser, and this is Google will see this, that they go directly to your website or to your product page, and this also will boost your SEO. So, and these are my 11 ways to boost your website traffic. And so if you have any questions about this, then let me know in the comment section down below. And if you learned something new in this video, then make sure to press the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.